Hello, I'm Chris from Hinton the Trail, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install TireMinder's new flow-through transmitter. So installing the transmitter is very simple. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to put batteries in the transmitter. You're going to unscrew the sensor cap, insert the new battery, place the sensor cap back on. Then you're going to remove the tire stem cap. If you already have a TireMinder system, you're going to have to remove the old transmitters first. So first you're going to loosen the lock nut, then remove the transmitter. You can keep the lock nut in place as it can be used on the new flow-through transmitter. The next step will be adding the new transmitters to the tires and loading them in the monitor. Now if you already have a TireMinder system and the old transmitters are on the monitor, you will have to remove those first. So this is how you clear those out. First, turn on the monitor, press and hold the left and right buttons for 5 seconds until you hear a beep and see all 22 tire positions on the monitor. Press and hold the center and right buttons for 5 seconds until you hear a double beep. Once you hear the double beep, any transmitter that has been previously added to the system will be removed. To exit learning mode, press and hold the left and right buttons for 5 seconds until you hear another beep. You're now back in the monitoring mode. Now we're going to add the transmitters one at a time to the tires and learn them into the monitor. The first thing you're going to do, again, make sure you're in monitoring mode. You're going to press and hold the left and right buttons for 5 seconds until you hear a beep and see all positions on the monitor. Use the left and right buttons to select the desired tire position that correlates to the physical position you want to monitor. Once you're at that position on the monitor, attach the transmitter to the tire stem. The monitor will receive a signal in about 5 to 30 seconds and display it on the screen. It will also show a green light on the top. Next, use the lock nut tool to tighten the lock nut in position. Then you'll move to the next desired tire position on the monitor and attach another transmitter to the corresponding tire. Repeat these steps until all transmitters are attached and learned on the monitor. You'll then exit the learning mode by holding the left and right button for 5 seconds. You'll see an M when you're back in the monitoring mode. So now that you have the transmitters on and learned to the system, the next thing you need to do is add your baseline tire pressures into the system. From the monitoring mode, press and hold the center button for 5 seconds. The first tire position will appear. Press the left or right button to change the PSI to the desired amount. The PSI should be set to the cold PSI recommended by the tire manufacturer and can be found on the sidewall of your tire. Press the center button to confirm the PSI and move to the next tire position. Once you've updated all positions, press and hold the center button for 5 seconds to return to monitoring mode. So that's it. You've just installed your new flow-through transmitters. It's really simple.